Hello, my young friends. It's Mrs. Lou here with some Pennywhistle tunes for you. I would like to start with an aire. An aire is a song that might have words to it, and it probably does. But when we play it on the whistle or on another instrument, of course you can't hear the words. But people who know the words might sing them, so it's important for us to be accurate. I'm going to play it quite slowly for us so that we can get it. Hopefully this microphone doesn't cut out on me again. It's in 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But it starts with a pickup, so it starts on 2, 3. And there are some C naturals in it, which are played this way quietly. And sometimes I might make a mistake when I go from the C to the D because I'm used to playing the flute, and sometimes my fingerings get mixed up. Here goes. 1, 2, 3, 1. The Mountains of Mourne.